Hello students, welcome back in GK class. Today we are going to do chapter 19 and the title of the chapter is Musical Instruments. So I request all the children take out your books and hold the pencils in your hands. Let's start reading. Instruments that produce music are called musical instruments. Beta, this can be define musical instruments. So this can be the answer of musical instruments. That instruments that produce music are called musical instrument. So what are all these which are given in your books? These are called the musical instruments. You know, all these, they produce different kinds of music. So these are called the musical instrument. Have you underlined all? This is the define of musical instrument. Next, look at the pictures of some musical instruments. Write their names by taking help from the clue box. See, in blue color clue box is given. In this, the names are given of these given pictures. So you have to identify the picture. Just see the first picture. This is called trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Second, this is dholak. D-H-O-L-A-K, dholak. Next, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Next, fourth, saxophone. S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Fifth, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Sixth, veena. V-E-E-N-A, veena. Seven, guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. Eight, sitar. S-I-T-A-R, sitar. I hope you all have written. You can see the spellings from the clue box also. First is trumpet, second dholak, third flute, fourth saxophone, fifth violin, sixth veena, seventh guitar and eighth sitar. All sounds are not musical. A cracker bursts with a bang. These sounds make noise, not music. Sounds that are pleasant to our ears are called music. Means all sounds are not musical. Like when the cracker bursts, it gives a loud noise and it does not soothe our ear. And the sound which is very pleasant to our ears, like birds when they chirp, that we like the birds chirping, that is called a pleasant sound. And when we listen the music, that is also pleasant sound. So that is called music. The sound that are pleasant to our ears are called music. So here one more question is here, define music. So answer will be the sounds that are pleasant to our ears are called music. And you underline this full paragraph. Now come on the yellow box. Zakir Hussain plays which instrument? The answer is tabla. Zakir Hussain plays tabla. Okay, so in this chapter there are 4 questions. First is define musical instruments and music. Answer is also given. Define musical instrument. Answer is given in the very first line. Instruments that produce music are called musical instrument. And second is define music. That is sounds that are pleasant to our ears are called music. Third is Zakir Hussain plays which instrument? Answer is tabla. And the fourth question, name any 4 musical instruments. That you can write down any 4 musical instruments names. So this is your chapter number 19, musical instruments. That's it children. Take care. Goodbye.